All right, guys, today we're shipping out a Trex Enhance decking order. It's going to Montana. This is Foggy Wharf. It looks like a nice gray color with some black streaking on it. That's Foggy Wharf. Trex Enhance is what we're doing going to Montana. Here's some other Trex Enhance decking that you can look at. This right here is called Rocky Harbor. You see that's more of like a tannish gray, so it's more of like a tan gray compared to the Foggy Wharf, but looks pretty good. Here's another Trex Enhance. This one's called Saddle. This one's really brown. It doesn't have any streaking, so it's more of like a plain brown. That's called Saddle. All Trex Enhance decking. Here we go, Coastal Bluff. That's like a really dark gray. Still has that black streaking. Coastal Bluff, Trex Enhance. Here's another one. It's a brown, but so if you want, this actually has more of that gray, black streaking in it. This is called Toasted Sand. So that's pretty good. It's like the other one, but it's more of like a tan with that black streaking in it. And last but not least, this one we're missing the name on it, but it's called Clam Shell. So this is Trex Enhance, really dark gray. None of that black streaking, so it's super dark compared to the Foggy Wharf. So you see that's the Foggy Wharf. They have that black streaking. Clam Shell, Toasted Sand, Coastal Bluff. And that's all the different colors here. Saddle, like a really warm brown. And that's Rocky Harbor. So that's all the Trex Enhance colors you can get. As I said, we're packaging it up right now, shipping it to Montana. Call us up, we can send it right to you.